Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to organize your Gmail inbox in only 4 minutes. So basically, you have to open your Gmail, and if you want to organize your mails here, for example, this one, I want to put it in this label, in this folder, then all you have to do is you have to create labels for that. You just have to go to the left side, and then under labels or beside labels, you see this plus icon. You just have to create new label. For example, I'm going to create at least 4 labels right here. So when a new message arrive, then I can label this as, for example, personal, funds or financial, productivity and work, and so on. So it depends on the labels that you have created here. So I have created personal, also productivity and work, also funds, and last is learning and development. Tap create. So these are the 4 labels that I have created. And if I want to, customize this with colors so that I can easily identify which one is fines or personal and so on. So I can tap this 3 dots and then tap this color or label color right here. For this one, I want to set this as like red color and so on. So actually everything is up to you. You can add more or you can customize this one more by tapping this 3 dots here. So I have added some colors to my labels. The next thing to do here is you have to locate this gear icon or settings at the top right corner. You see this gear icon right here. You have to click this one. And then this time, what you're going to do is you have to look for multiple inboxes. So you have to scroll down here. Look for multiple inboxes, tap customize, and this is what it looks like. So what you're going to do here is you have to enter here a label and then the name of the label. For example, label and then funds, and then label personal or productivity and work, label personal, label and then learning and development. And you just have to copy here what you have type or the name of the label under section name, but actually this one is optional. So again, you just have to enter. And then once you're done with this, or after you enter your labels here, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and then look for save changes. Now, once you have tapped the save changes right here, you can go back to your inbox. And then we're going to use these labels now. So for example, you have received a message here. What you're going to do, for example, let's just say this one for Facebook. I want to put this or I want to label this as personal. So you just have to tap at that message and then you have to click this 3 dots here. And then you have to look for label as, and then set this or look for personal. Also, same thing with, for example, another message here. You just have to click that message, tap the dots, and then you have to look for a label. And for example, label this as funds or finances. So you just have to do this to any message or whenever a message arrive here on your inbox. Now, if you want to see these messages, then you just have to go to labels and then tap each. For example, if you want to see the messages on your fonts, then you have to click fonts right here. If you want to see your messages on your personal, you just have to click this. Learning and development, you just have to click learning and development, and so on. So that's it. You just have to create labels and then put or set this messages and conversation into whatever label you have created. As easy as that. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.